Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. There is one common mistake that people often make, and that can result into expensive repairs, thousands of dollars in replacing computers, modules. We'll explain what it is, how we know about it. It happened to us back in the day, so we want to make sure you don't do that and don't spend money that you don't have to. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger and Dodge Charger. Now, if you have a service transmission warning, problems with the transmission, hard shifting, anything like that, let's explain guys what can easily cause that, something that most people never even think about, because we've seen people that will replace transmission, modules, computers, spend thousands of dollars when they overlook something super simple. Why we mentioned Dodge Charger and Challenger? Because both of these vehicles are built on the same platform, so it should actually guys work for both. They share transmissions, engine, suspension. So let's explain what can easily cause that now. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you guys how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine lights, fuses, transmission. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, if you have a Dodge Charger, Dodge Challenger, you have problems with the transmission. Most people will start fixing transmissions, solenoids, modules, even replace transmissions, when you guys totally forgot that you need to test your car battery. Now let's explain why guys. Let's explain what's causing that, and those new vehicles are really complicated. They have many modules, many computers, and those modules and computers guys start malfunctioning, start acting really weird when the voltage is not stable. Now here, if we check that battery now, let's check it out guys. This battery specifically has 10.6 volts. 10.6 volts, so that tells us it's a bad battery, right? Most people use a voltmeter and probably will work 5 out of 10 times, because if we test it now with a battery tester, check this thing out, but there will be a surprise and you will see in a second. This one says 10.64, so minimum difference, almost the same. And this one now, it's before charge, it's after charge actually, because we drove it yesterday for 10 hours. It's a regular flooded battery, rated at 730 amps. And if we check it, that battery now, the voltmeter told us that it's a bad battery, and it does says replace the battery. It's rated at 730 amps. We have only 145 left, state of health 9%, so that's a done battery. But that's where the surprise comes now, and we want to show you something right here guys. We have another battery right here, and check this thing out now. If we come here, we're going to test that battery on right here, and what do we have guys? We have 12.8182 volts, which is really high voltage. That's amazing voltage. That tells us the battery is amazing, right? But if I guys go ahead and connect the tester, battery tester, see what's happening now guys. It says 12.84, right? And that's out of the vehicle after charge. That's AGM battery. It's rated actually, this one, at 800 cold cranking amps. And if we go there at 800, see what we have guys here. Even though it's amazing voltage, we have only 160 amps, state of health only 3%, so that battery is short. And most people use a voltmeter, they assume they have a good battery, they don't, and they start spending thousands of dollars on transmissions that they actually do not need guys. And all we had to do is just check your battery. This one for instance, it's only 12.54. Check this, 12.55. And if I test it, this is actually where the surprise comes. This one's been sitting for a while here at the garage, and if we test that one, that's actually 9 900 cold cranking amps battery, so we're going to select 900 here. And even though it's lower voltage, check this thing out, it's just been sitting for a while. It says good battery, rated at 900, we have 960, so that's better than new practically, and state of health is 100%, so the battery is amazing. But guys, voltage doesn't mean anything, always test it, and if you need to buy a battery tester, we'll share the information in the video. Now, common mistakes people make when replacing a battery. You need to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, guys, you can burn modules, computers that will cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. It did happen to us when we first started working on cars a long time ago. We burned module on a Mercedes that cost us $2,000. You don't want that to happen, guys. Check out, we'll share a video in the description of the video below that will teach you which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect first. That way you do not damage your vehicle. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.